All right, if you're a model and you're preparing for a casting, I am going to tell you exactly the top 3 things that agents and scouts look for before you even open up your mouth. All right, so you're probably thinking, oh, it's personality or your Instagram followers, but that is not the case. Throw those things to the side. The top 3 things that agents really care about are this. First one is your body shape. Okay, this is very important. I know you're probably thinking, I don't have this, I don't have that. They're not looking for perfection. They're really not looking for perfection, but they do want to see the proportion of your body, whether you're a straight size model or you're a curve or plus model. They just want to see how is the clothing and the product going to fall off of your body and your frame. So this is why I tell models it's so important that when you go into castings, you wear very form-fitting clothes that's going to give the clients or the scout or the agents an idea of what your body could look like in their product. And the second thing is going to be your height, okay? We're not asking for you to be 6 feet and up, okay? Not every single model is going to be a runway model, but the scouts and the agents care about this because then it gives them an idea of whether or not you're going to fit for that specific category that they're casting for. So be realistic about the roles you are applying for, okay? If they're asking for runway, they're probably not gonna hire a model that's 5'7". Even myself, I'm 5'8.5". I still don't get runway jobs, okay? And the third thing, which I think is probably one of the most popular things that girls think about, is your facial features. This is so important because your face just sells and it tells everything. So what are the scouts and agents looking for when it comes to face? They're looking for facial symmetry. They're looking for your bone structure. They're even looking for your hair. How does your hair frame your face? Does it add to it or does it take away from it? So it's important to find the style that looks really, really good and makes you just look like that girl, okay? And of course, they're also looking for a face that's very versatile, that can be very expressive. No one wants a boring model that can just offer 1 to 3 looks. I'm sorry, the photographers are gonna hate you and the project managers are probably not ever gonna recommend you again, okay? So make sure you're always practicing your poses, your facial expressions continuously, never ever stop, okay? So all of this is not because the scouts and the agents want to judge you. They're here to do their job. They're here to find the right model for the right client. All right, and once you understand this, your whole job is going to change. You're gonna get more opportunities. All right, so if you've liked this content and you want a deeper dive into what agents and scouts are actually looking for and how to position yourself to get the job as a model, then I want you to comment down below Scout, and I would send you an invitation to our upcoming free masterclass where we cover everything about agents and scouts, their requirements, and what they're looking for.